I've introduced a lot of AI platforms to you guys so far. And day by day, these tools are getting more advanced and precise. For us designers, it's truly mind-blowing. That's why I always try to stay updated with the latest technologies and use AI tools to enhance my designs. Your amazing support has really motivated me to create more tutorials like this. So, welcome to another video from the Desire channel. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a new AI image generation tool called ImageFX, which has made some major improvements in its latest version. And the images it creates are absolutely stunning. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. Alright, let's dive in. First, go to Google and search for ImageFX. Click on the first link. This is Google's own image generation platform. Here's the user interface. It uses the powerful Imagen 3 model to create beautiful visuals. As you can see, here's where we enter our prompt. This section is where you choose the styles or tiles. And this cool feature here called Lead lets you lock onto one image and generate variations based on it. The model behind this is Imagen 3, which is currently one of the most advanced out there. You can also choose the image size. I personally prefer 16:9 for YouTube or desktop visuals. For writing the prompt, I head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give me a few prompts in a specific style. For example, dark fantasy, surreal, high detail portrait. I hit generate, and as you can see, it starts creating the prompts. Pay close attention to how it writes the prompt. It can help you write better ones on your own later. I copy the first prompt, head back to ImageFX, and paste it here. I'm not applying any additional style for now since I already wrote a specific prompt. I hit create and wait for the image to generate. And there it is, a beautifully detailed, dark fantasy portrait. Clicking on it shows you all the image variations. Pretty cool, right? Now, I go back to ChatGPT and ask for prompts like a beautiful girl, medium shot, in a studio, dark theme, neon background. Again, I click generate. Copy one of the prompts, head back to ImageFX, and paste it here. This time, I enable the photography style. I hit create again and give it a moment. And here we go for stunning portraits of a girl with neon backgrounds. You can download any image you like from here. I really like two of them, so I downloaded those for myself. Now let's compare ImageFX with Leonardo AI. I've added the links to all the tools used in this video in the description, so check them out. I click Launch App to open the Leonardo AI image generation page. This is Leonardo's interface, and as you can see, it gives us lots of customization options. You can also view images created by other users here. I pick one that I like. Copy its prompt, and paste it into ImageFX to see how it performs in comparison. I don't change anything else, just keep the size at 16:9 and hit create. And wow, look at that. ImageFX did a fantastic job. The image is highly detailed and beautifully rendered. Here's the Leonardo version. And here's ImageFX. You can compare them side by side, both are amazing. At first, I just wanted to test portrait generation. But now I want to try a different style in Leonardo to see how they compare. I found a super cute cat image I really liked. I copy the prompt and paste it into ImageFX. Again, I hit create and wait. While it's working, don't forget to like the video, it gives me motivation to keep going. And it's ready. Look how adorable this cat turned out. Honestly, for 3D render styles, I think Leonardo had a slight edge. But again, you can compare and decide for yourself. Let's try another style for a better comparison. I scroll through some of Leonardo's community images and find this awesome one with a 3D render and amazing light and color effects. I copy the prompt and paste it into ImageFX. This time, I change the aspect ratio to 9:16 to match the Instagram or TikTok format. Hit create, wait a few seconds. And boom. ImageFX nailed it, vibrant colors, great details. I honestly think this one turned out even better than the Leonardo version. You can compare both images side by side and decide which one you prefer. Alright friends, that wraps up another tutorial from the desired channel. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.